do a little at a time. You'll get more used to it as you go and do more. And I'm just going to use apple barrel. This, like I said, is almost like an experiment. And you're a part of it with me. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to allow this to dry a little bit more. I'm going to put a star in each corner and then the small star right where I had it in the middle so you can still see the black. But let me see if I can turn this around so you can take a good look at it, like this. And there you have it. And then I'll be resining it. Let me see if I can show you this. There we go. I don't know if you can see it. I'm trying to hold it under the light. I'll zoom in for you when I edit. So, it was my first experiment with a stencil from Cricut. And I just got to get used to it more and how to actually place it onto the canvas or to whatever I'm going to be using it on. But there it is. Starlight, Star Bright. So thanks for joining me. Stay tuned. God bless. Be safe and be happy. Bye-bye now. Everyone, just got done resining this Starlight, Star Bright that I embellished tonight. So I just wanted you to see it. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.